This brand can be purchased directly through their website or on Amazon. The AP1001 model features a night light, a 120 CFM delivery rate, and a 793 square feet coverage area, while the AP1002 has a 1,100 square feet coverage and a 125 CFM delivery rate. The AP0601 models are available in either white or black and in single or two-pack units. They are for smaller rooms with a 376 square feet coverage and a 60 CFM delivery rate. They have a night light as well as a built-in aroma pad to hold essential oils for aromatherapy. They have 3 fan speeds with an auto mode where the fan speed is controlled by the built-in air quality sensor. All of the units are whisper quiet in low speed and they are backed by a good guarantee. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.